welcome back and back and back. Nandito na po tayo sa ating third semester ng ating vlog session. And for this first question na sasagutin natin, what motivates you to vlog? I was looking for the screenshot na screenshot ko last 2 months ago. Hindi ko siya makita kung sino yung nag-ask ng question. I will really look pa na sa group page. It's from the Vloggers Philippines na group page, and one of the members asked that question na what motivates me. So there are 3 things or 3 reasons na nagmo-motivate sa akin to have this vlog. Number 1 is for those who have known me, I'm a stage actor, a performer. So before film, I started in theater, and I really thought theater acting or having an experience in theater would be enough for me to go into film acting, but I was wrong. Theater acting is totally different, or the opposite of film acting. If on stage you really have to practice and practice to be perfect, in film you don't have to be perfect, you just have to be yourself. And for us actors to be able to communicate well in the camera, in front of the camera as film actors, we have to fall in love with the camera. That's one thing I learned in a workshop that I with. Tapos sabi ko pa nga sa aming mentor, grabe, sir, ba't ganun yung mga kaklase namin na walang experience in acting, they even look better on film, on our activity film, no? Kaysa sa kami na may experience na in acting. Because yun, in film, you don't have to act. You just have to be yourself. And what I've seen na similar with the vlogging is that in vlogs, or as a vlogger, there's no other characters that you have to portray. It's just you. So kung ano ka, yun ka. Yun. So I was in a project wherein I saw myself, man, ang pangit ng kinakagat. I'm biting my lower lip while it should be a reaction shot that parang nagtataka ako ba't nandyan siya. But then I look closer, kinlose up ko siya, yung video. I was biting my lips, my lower lip. Man, it's so, hala, kinakabahan ka, Ruby, ba't ganon? Because honestly, being in front of the camera was one of my fears. Yeah. Hindi ako mahilig magpa-picture before vlogging. I don't, even if you ask my friends, especially the male friends that I have, if they would ask for selfies, pag dalawa lang, or any picture, kahit picture lang, I don't take pictures. I don't take selfies before, but when I started, actually ngayon kahit nag-vlog nga, hindi nga ako mahilig mag-selfie pag kinakatok lang. But yun, I learned to take photos. Pero minsan nga nakakalimutan ko mag-take ng photos, videos, medyo yun, nasanay na rin. And there, ngayon, I'm really thankful that I was part of a film festival, that's Sinica Simanwa, the biggest regional festival here in the Philippines. And currently, it is the festival is running since December 6 until December 15. So I am inviting all of you, those who are here in Iloilo and in Negros. I believe there will be screening in Negros for the Cine Casimanwa films. Please stay tuned for the schedule or visit the Cine Casimanwa Facebook page for the updates. And this coming December 13, I am inviting you all for a project wherein I cameo role doon. Sa mga nagtataka kung sa kaibigan ko dyan, shout out Christian Paul Joaquin. I know you were asking our group na kung paano kaya ako nagtataka, kung paano ako magalit, kung gusto mo makita kung paano ako magalit, panood ka sa December 13. Yes, alam ko masiyahin akong tao, pero wag na wag niyo akong gagalit. Kasi tulad yun ang sinabi ko sa inyo, in film acting, you don't really have to act, you just have to be yourself. So, kung ano makikita nyo, tatawa ako kasi ayoko talagang nagagalit, as in. Kasi parang hindi ako yung nakikita. Hindi ko alam, basta ganun. So if ever lang I really avoid to be angry. You know, good vibes lang tayong lahat. Then second na nag-motivate sa akin is I won't be hindi na ako mamagandang tao, no. I really am into monetization of the YouTube channel kasi I'm a full-time employee and I don't want to come to a point wherein I'll ask myself na, Ruby, sana napupunta yung pera mo, kailangan mong mabuhay, and yun lang, parang you're just spending it all for your passion. How about you? Kasi kailangan din nating mag-pay ng mga expenses natin. So, I don't want me to reach to a point na I would be questioning my passion in the arts dahil hindi ko na kayang buhayin yung sarili ko. So, I've seen YouTube that it could, yun yung sabi ko sa previous vlogs, I see it as a solution to my dilemma on how would I be able to link profession and my passion, and at the same time maging practical din sa buhay na hindi tayo magwawaldas lang for walang kwentang bagay. I'm sorry for the word, but you know, I am also an impulse buyer, and I really try to hold on na stop yourself, Ruby. You don't have to buy that thing because you don't need it. Pero kahit expensive siya, if I badly need it, kahit sabihin ng mga kaklase ko at mga kaibigan ko, mga kasamaan ko sa trabaho na kuripot ako, practical lang po talaga ako because I want my money to go into the proper place that hindi lang ako, kundi yung mga tao sa paligid ko makaka-benefit at the same time. So, yun. And third one is, of course, motivate sa akin. I have a very supportive family and they have seen how, sabi ko, nakala ko nga nakaka-get over na ako sa pagiging emotional. Nandito na naman tayo eh. Yun, sila yung motivate sa akin because of their support. I don't want to lose that burning passion within me. So that's it. I have to end this because sige, bye-bye. Please do subscribe to my channel. That's Rubeinspired Ilonggo Vlogger. Bye-bye!
Yung pinakakapit ka po sa akong yung channel, tiyan po ninuhulat niyo, pinutan ang subscribe button,